dead of night flicker back at me. I've been patient, I've been waiting, never knowing if it's changing. Ooh. But a broken heart can be a reason to start brand new. I wanna find what's on the horizon, the horizon. I wanna find what's on.
Kay maging mabait ka palagi at alam ko na magaling ka sa problem solving kasi nga pinakita mo na ngayon as early age. Sana maging baby ka na lang namin forever. At bawal mo na mag-girlfriend ha, kay baby Kate. Bawas-bawasan na natin yung natin kahit pagsisigaw, kahit baby pa tayo. Pero alam ko na nangangailangan ka lang ng attention sa amin. Well, recently lang kasi nagkaroon kami ng katulong sa buhay. Kaya ngayon kaya namin ibigay lahat ng mga gusto mong oras. Okay? So pareho kayo ni Kai. Kayong dalawa, kaya na namin ibigay lahat ng mga oras na kailangan ninyo kasi nga may mga katulong na kami sa gawaing bahay. Tapos, para last message ko sa kanilang dalawa, sana magiging sporty tayo. Gusto ko magiging basketball player yung kayong dalawa. So, may inidolo akong NBA player. Sana gayahin niyo siya.
Moving as the world spun round, but the daylight was coming close. It's all a little clear now. I've been patient, I've been waiting, never knowing if it's changing. They say a broken heart can be a reason to start again. I wanna find what's on the horizon, the horizon. I wanna find what's on the horizon.
Happy birthday, Kai and Kit. Today is happiest day of our life so far with you. You're our best God's blessings to us, and we will ensure na mapalaki kayo na and magabayan sa buhay ng tama. And I think kaya God entrusted you both sa amin because we would be able to be your perfect or best parents na we could be for you both. Ayun, pakabait and we love you so much. Pasensya at times na hindi ko kayang ibigay yung sarili ko to both of you kasi mahirap. At the same time na mag-give ko yung attention ko to the both of you, but I try my best because twins kayo and same age na we take care of. I prayed na maging smart kayo, wise, kind person, and respectful to everyone also, and of course God-fearing person. Si Kai, for now, masyado siyang observant and ayaw niya ring mag-isa at times, and parang matatakotin siya, while si Kit more of a clingy baby. Mas gusto niya or mas malambing siya, or siguro mas expressive siya in terms of physical touch. Ayun lang. So we both love you so much, and we look forward to being with you or have fun with you or travel the world or other countries with our small family.
Happy birthday,
Kai
Kai and Kit.
We love you so much.